Will, I have a solution to some of your apprehension around unlocking your car with your phone.
Oh, yeah?
The iPhone digital key that debuted at WWDC, they showed it off with that 2021 BMW, which is also on your shopping list. I took a look at it before we started here. Okay. You have 5 hours to still unlock your car even after your phone dies. You like that?
How does that work?
You like that?
Yes, it's impressive.
Very well.
Yeah.
It saves a little bit of reserve power knowing you might use it as a key. So there's a little tiny, just enough power, I guess, to transmit the necessary signal even after, think of it as a backup, a reserve tank on your car. You know, it hits the empty, but it's not really empty. I don't know if you ever tested that before. Yeah, you tested that before, yeah. And it turns out there's usually more gas there than you expect.
Yeah.
And it's the same thing here. 5 hours, your phone can be dead, and you can still unlock your car. These digital keys becoming more prevalent. You're seeing them. Obviously, the Tesla and others have implemented something like this, but this is the integration with the iPhone and a partnership with BMW, at least to start, possibly other makers in the future. It's going to be using NFC technology. One thing you never have to worry about with traditional car keys is running low on battery. Should your iPhone run out of a charge, digital key functionality will still be available, Apple says. A power reserve feature will allow it to open doors for up to 5 hours, model depending, even if the iPhone itself won't turn on because of an insufficient charge. So fully dead, Will. Not low battery on the phone. The phone has fully shut itself down and reserved this little extra power to potentially unlock your car. So I know a lot of people were apprehensive when they saw the feature. Great. My phone dies. I'm locked out. I'm dead. It's still valid, depending how long you're away from your car. It's still valid in the sense that you now lose your phone. You've lost everything. But this should give you a slightly better sense of security that, because the dead phone is something everybody deals with. Everybody's seen it, felt it before. It's a terrifying feeling.
Oh, yeah.
The dead phone feeling. Where am I? What do I do? Where do I swipe? Where do I scroll? What planet am I on? What is my name? My date of birth? I know nothing. My phone is dead. Off. My phone is dead. I know nothing. Right. No memory left.
Yeah.
Everything.
Just instant memory.
We outsource every decision, outsourced, reference, the algorithms. What should I do? What should I eat? How should I think? How should I feel? I lost my phone. What am I?
Very scary thought.
What am I without my algorithms and my machines, my learning machines?
Yeah. We
were shooting with a Spot robot today.
Oh, yeah.
That video's coming up so soon. I mean, these people got to keep it locked. I'm going to look right in the camera lens, this camera lens right here. Public service announcement. I have not been like this in a video in a really long time. It's like a young Lou. It took me back. It's an aha moment. It's an Inspector Gadget. It's a childlike Lou. Recognizing that the future, that the old future still might happen. That the old future may still be today's future. Like, I'm trying to say that we didn't...
You feel rejuvenated.
I'm trying to say sometimes the future starts to look like it's been altered in such a fashion that it can't get back on track to its old progression. Things can stagnate or feel stagnated, or certain events can take place. But I'm saying this one, and I know everybody take the grim approach. What if Spot was evil? It's just a trendy thing to do. But you know me, Will. I sit there, I look at it, I see all the little motors. I recognize the complexity in the behavior, and I think humans are amazing. That's what I think. I understand the eventuality. I know where we're going, but I think there's humans over there, Boston Dynamics. If we walk in there, it's not Spot clicking away at the keys. Yeah. Still humans. And they've created something amazing. So just keep it locked for that video. I don't know if anybody's following what I'm saying here. Maybe that's the point of it. Maybe that's the purpose. But just don't miss that video. It's coming up soon. Anyway, for now, this digital key functionality is exclusive to this 2021 5 Series, but it's going to be part of a consortium or consortium. I don't know which one you prefer, but once you belong to a consortium, you're set for life.
Is that true?
That's right. You never have to worry about another thing ever again because you're inside of the consortium. So anyway, you don't have to worry about your thing dying. Oh, also, it's not just unlocking the car, to be clear. It's also running the car. So when you get inside the car after unlocking it, you place it on the wireless pad before hitting the push button start.
Oh, I see.
So it knows that it has the correct identity, the correct person, not just getting into the car, but also starting the car.